The best new cookbooks of early 2023. 1. Simple One-Pan Wonders, January 10, 2023. Simplicity seems to be the carrot we are all trailing when it comes to buying food and making meals. Whether you love or hate cooking, washing loads of pans and bowls after supper is something few people like. Jamie Oliver decided to help us all out with an entire cookbook dedicated to one-pan meals. Foodwise, a fresh approach to nutrition with 100 delicious recipes by Mia Rigdon. Once the chaos of holiday eating is a thing of the past and meal planning is back to regularly scheduled programming, this is a seamless cookbook to transition you into a daily routine. It contains healthy recipes that won't make you roll your eyes trying to find a hard-to-find ingredient at the grocery store. Super green spaghetti with zucchini pesto sounds like something you'd actually enjoy. The Discovery of Pasta. A History in 10 Dishes by Luca Cesari. Look, if you plaster a noodle on the cover of a cookbook, I will be intrigued. If you incorporate storytelling, history and recipes, I will absolutely add to cart. And that's just what this book does in a mere 320 pages. The Whole Vegetable by Sophie Gordon. Regardless of vegetarian standing, this book can be appreciated for its waste-less cooking approach. The Home Cafe. Creative recipes for espresso, matcha, tea and coffee drinks. Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of coffee drinks out there? This book can calm you down a bit. If you're trying to save that $5 a day coffee habit, pick up this book to start your barista journey at home. It doesn't hurt that it's gorgeous to look at, too. Around the Table. Delicious Food for Every Day by Julia Busuttil Nishimura. Organized into neat little chapters, this tome from author Julia Busuttil Nishimura can help with weeknight meals or slow Sunday mornings. Instead of focusing on one cuisine, Nishimura introduces readers to a beautiful range of foods. From beloved Italian meals to Japanese cuisine, there's something to learn for everyone. Sweet Enough. A baking book by Alison Roman. Roman claims that even if baking intimidates or doesn't interest you, her latest cookbook has something for everyone, from salted lemon pie to a perfect breakdown of what any Sunday bar could ever need. Totally Kosher by Cheney Apfelbaum. Cheney Apfelbaum saw major success with her blog Busy in Brooklyn, in which she makes trendy kosher recipes that are uncomplicated and delicious. Now she's a published author teaching us the latest in kosher cuisine. Nourishing Vegan Everyday. Simple plant-based recipes with color and flavor by Amy Lanza. This book has straightforward recipes that even a meat-eating brain can comprehend. From cashew cauliflower to garlic tofu noodles, it's nice to try something new without huffing and puffing around the kitchen. The Blue Zone's American Kitchen by Dan Buettner. Blue zones are the 5 places around the world where residents purportedly are more likely to live to or past the age of 100, making this cookbook the perfect choice for starting off the year on a healthy note. You'll never ask, what should we do for dinner? If you have a cookbook full of more than 100 recipes. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links to purchase any of these products.